Sony took the wrapper off its most recent lead match at the Barcelona scene today, turning many heads all the while. The Xperia XZ2 and XZ2 Compact speak to a fresh out-of-the-box new search for Sony's portable line, and an entirely strong one at that. Both the XZ2 and XZ2 Compact element a Gorilla Glass 5 front, a hostile-to-bend metal edge and bezel underneath, and IP65-68 rating. The back on the greater one is additionally Gorilla Glass 5, making for a fascinating, intelligent, yet very dangerous and unique finger impression-inviting surface. The Compact substitutes that for a polycarbonate mix, with a tangle and altogether less demanding to clean surface.